Hello, everyone. My name is Noah with Levinson and Associates, and I will be going over the InsureMeNowDirect.com platform, which is the first ever direct-to-consumer platform for life insurance and financial services products. The InsureMeNowDirect.com platform allows clients to instantly quote, apply, and receive an underwriting decision within minutes. The client can do everything themselves from quoting to putting the policy in force within a 10 to 15-minute process. To get started on the platform, all you need to do is get the contracting in with the carriers on the platform. You can do this by logging into carrylevinson.com, navigating to the InsureMeNowDirect.com page, and completing the request forms for each carrier. Once you complete the request forms, you'll receive a link from our contracting department, at which point the carriers will appoint you and you'll receive the writing number. Once you receive a writing number with at least one of these carriers, you can move on to step 2. This is the page on how to navigate to the step 1 to start the contracting. You will hover over the products tab, select the Sell While You Sleep /InsureMeNowDirect.com page, and click on the step 1 form. Once step 1 is complete, you can move on to step 2, which is actually requesting your InsureMeNowDirect.com website. So once you get your writing number, you can move on to the step 2 request form. You can complete the form, and once the form is complete and sent to us, you will have your link within a 24-hour process. So it is on the same page as step 1 on levinsonandassociates.com. You will complete the form by clicking on step 2. And this is what you will receive once you complete step 2. So the left picture is the home page, and the right is the quote page of the client's facing website. So as you can see on the top there, we can customize the back end of the link. So it can be InsureMeNowDirect.com/agent, and then after that is up to you. And then the red boxes also indicate the other places on the website that you can customize. So we can add your logo in the top left corner. We can add your name, email, phone number in the About section, as well as on the quote page, along with your logo or headshot. Step 3 in this process is making any updates to your website. So if you wanted to update your name, email, add your headshot, or change your logo, you can do that by filling out the request form in step 3. There's also a comment box for additional details if you wanted to let us know anything else. And this is again on the same page on levinsonandassociates.com by clicking on the step 3 button. Now step 4, once everything is complete, is to request the personalized marketing videos that we have put together. So we have prepared these videos for you that you can request, and we'll actually edit your information into these videos, absolutely no charge. So make sure to grab these because they are essential in your marketing campaigns for this platform. Again, this is on the same page on levinsonandassociates.com by clicking on the step 4 button. These are the products that we currently have on the platform. As you can see, Bestow is our leading product right now. It is a term that goes up to $1.5 million of face amount up to age 60. We also have Haven for term, Gerber for some other products on the guaranteed issue and children's whole life side. We have ancillary products with SureBridge, and we will be adding some Assurity products. As you can see, it's the disability, critical illness, and accidental death products coming very soon. And if you wanted the product information, you can navigate to the same page on levinsonandassociates.com where you completed the steps and scroll down. We have all the information for the products, including the state availability. We have additional products and services on the platform that include the Sage Scholars Tuition Rewards, the Legacy Armor Legacy Protection, and the ReliaShield Identity Theft Protection. The Sage Scholars Tuition Rewards is a up to 1 year full tuition at over 400 participating private colleges and universities. Once you purchase a policy from over 13 eligible life insurance carriers and 7 annuity carriers, you can accrue points that can be redeemed for up to 1 year college tuition at these colleges and universities. Again, this is free for the clients to enroll and free for agents to offer. So another key essential tool in some of your marketing campaigns for this platform. We also have the Legacy Armor Legacy Protection platform, which ensures beneficiaries access to all insurance, legal, and financial information. It's a very secure and encrypted storage, so it keeps all of your information safe and easily accessible. It includes legacy planning checklists to ensure that the client has protected all of the essential information, and it includes customer support. So this is very helpful to start the conversation about life insurance and making sure that everything for the client is protected. And it can also store pictures and videos as well. So another key marketing tool in this campaign. And the last product that we have that's an additional service is the Rely Shield Identity Theft Protection, which covers all types of identity theft. It monitors personal data on the internet to detect fraud or theft and includes lost and stolen wallet protection. So this is really another product and service that you can use in your marketing, and it's also free for coverage for children, and again, free for agents to enroll and offer to the clients. Make sure to reach out to us here in the marketing department at Levinson and Associates. We can help you get the contracting in and setting up your personalized link for this InsureMeNowDirect.com platform. So please call us at 800-375-2279, and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.